Understanding close-knit, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to today's lesson on English phrases. Today, we're diving into the meaning and use of the phrase, close-knit. This is a term you might hear often in English conversations, and it's a great one to understand whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to polish your fluency. Let's get started. Close-knit is an adjective that describes a group of people bound together by strong relationships and a sense of unity. It's often used to talk about families, communities, or groups that share a tight bond and support each other. The term paints a picture of threads interwoven closely in a fabric, symbolizing how the individuals in a close-knit group are intricately connected. To help you understand how close-knit is used, let's look at some examples. She comes from a close-knit family, where everyone looks out for each other. The villagers have a close-knit community. They celebrate all festivals together. Our team is very close-knit. We always support each other through thick and thin. Notice how the phrase is used to emphasize the strength of the relationships within the group. If you want to express a similar idea to close-knit, you could use synonyms like intimate, tight-knit, bonded, inseparable. Each of these words can convey a similar sense of connectedness and unity. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, close-knit. Remember, this term is all about the strong, supportive bonds that can exist within any group of people. Whether you're talking about family, friends, or colleagues, understanding and using close-knit will help you describe those special relationships in English. I hope this lesson has been helpful, and I look forward to our next English adventure together. Goodbye for now.